Now, if you don't have an account, you can create these details. I already have an Amazon account, so I would require you creating an Amazon account to make things easier. But if you don't have an Amazon account, you can fill in your details here, your name, your email, then you create a password. It's an easy process, so you can just do that. As you can see here, I've already created an account. That is why it showed me that important message notification there that I've already created an account. So if you have an Amazon account, you can just log in with your already existing Amazon account. You don't have to create a new one. That's the message showing up there. So right now I'm logging in with my existing Amazon account. I haven't created a KDP account with this one before. I just basically created an Amazon account because of our the offer was going. And the market also on affiliates to Amazon. So that's the this one I try to use account for Amazon KDP. So I'm creating an Amazon KDP account for you also see now. Once you've linked your Amazon account, once you've logged into your Amazon account on KDP, it will show you it will send you a notification to verify. A link will be in the verification to your registered phone number. After that, you just have to come here and go to the terms and conditions. Once you scroll through it already to understand it, once you've done that, great. Now this is your Amazon KDP page. This is how it looks since you have not published any books. Once you publish your book, this is where your books that will appear. This is where your books would appear. About 10 to 12 books per page. So the more books you create, the more pages and the more your this profile gets filled. Now you have to scroll to the up here. Look at the OBC Space account. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page. And that page is where you add complete your account creation process. You just have to put in some of your details here. Now you see a place both individual and corporation. I'll be zooming in now so you see it clearly on the video. You click on individual there. I don't know. I hope now you can see it. Now you click on individual. Once you do that, you fill in your date of birth, your country. To go through the process of filling this thing quickly, you put in your address, your postal code, your phone number, yeah, then and then when you are done, you click on save. Now for the postal code, some of us might not know our postal code. To get your postal code, you just have to simply go onto Google, search for postal code to your location, probably your city or the nearest city near you, or the local government in which you live in, or your state. Then you search from the your this thing. You're giving search results, the different places around you. Like now, I live in Warri, or my home address in Warri. I'm currently not in Warri, so and I also know that this account, so since I'm just using a Gmail I already own, I'll be just doing it Warri and creating finding a location somewhere just random getting Warri. But I won't pick some of these ones here because this one are generally for generally everywhere, just for Warri generally. But so like I had issues sometimes creating an account with the general location, so I just go for a specific place. Go through Google and you will see a location you can pick. Just this is how you get your postal code. In case you don't know, it's also the same thing as your zip code. If you know your zip code, so I just go online, copy one, and I place it there. After that, once you are done, you should get saved. Then the next process will be setting up your payment method. That will be for the Pioneer video. Once I'm done with the Pioneer video, we'll continue and that means once we are done with the Pioneer video, so we are done setting up our account, we also have to fill in some details for our tax information. See, take us about your bank. As you can see here, since I'm not done creating my bank, I would click I don't have a bank yet. But before that, you have to click save, because sometimes when you click this page, most especially on the mobile phone, it will go, and once it will go, you might lose the data you saved. So you just click on save here to save all the information you filled. So you have to save the stress of filling it over again. That's it, guys. This is all just what you have to do now for the creation of your Amazon. Once you are done, you've created your Amazon KDP account successfully. The next step will be filling that getting paid. Now, for now, we can't do that, so we have to wait.